Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because Toyota has just dropped something that looks like it was ripped straight out of a World Rally Championship fever dream. The GR Yaris, already one of the wildest hot hatches on the planet, is now available with what Toyota calls the Aero Performance Package. And let me tell you, this isn't just some cosmetic upgrade. This is serious track-bred madness straight from Toyota Gazoo Racing. We're talking about a vented hood inspired by the hardcore GRM and Yaris, a splitter that slices the air like a samurai sword, fender ducts that keep this beast glued to the asphalt, and even underbody panels designed to optimize airflow like a full-blown race car. But the star of the show, that massive adjustable rear wing, an absolute statement piece that screams, "Get out of my way," whether you're on a back road or the Nürburgring. All of this isn't just for show. It's been tested in Japan's grueling Super Taikyu Series and the All-Japan Rally Championship. That means every duct, every vent, every panel has been proven in battle by professional drivers. And under the hood, a turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder punching out 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered to all four wheels through Toyota's rally-bred GR-Four AWD system. Translation, this thing doesn't just drive, it attacks. And let's not forget the RZ high-performance trim, which cranks things up with Torsen limited-slip differentials and forged BBS wheels. This isn't just a hatchback, it's a pocket-sized weapon ready to embarrass cars twice its price. Of course, performance like this doesn't come cheap. The Aero Performance Package alone adds about $3,400 to the price tag, with the full lineup ranging from around $27,500 to just under $40,000 in Japan. Still, for a car that blends rally DNA with everyday usability, it's a deal that sounds almost too good to be true. And here's the kicker. It won't just stay in Japan. Toyota is bringing this package to other markets, including Europe. So if you've been waiting for a hot hatch that doesn't just talk the talk, but actually walks the walk, the GR Yaris with the Aero Performance Package is it. This isn't just a car, it's a rally car for the streets, a weapon forged by Gazoo Racing, and a middle finger to boring driving.